Good evening, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It is June 14, 2017. Just a brief video update on our thunderstorm complex. Now we are entering MCS season, mesoscale convective systems. What does that mean? These are big thunderstorm complexes that form during the summer months, and they actually provide much of the rainfall in the Corn Belt during June, July, and August. So they are a necessary evil. They bring your heavy rains for the crops. They also bring damaging winds, lots of lightning, even some hail. What they do is normally form during the afternoon, peak at night, and then weaken during the morning hours. And then wherever they weaken, they will leave boundaries. Those boundaries the next day can reignite, refire thunderstorms. So you have to keep track of where they die off and then monitor the next day to see if they redevelop. Take a look at infrared satellite view. You're looking at cloud top temperatures, those big red areas. Those are cumulonimbus clouds, very cold cloud tops. And watch as we move through the evening north of St. Louis as one of these complexes has formed. It produced some damaging winds near St. Louis a few hours ago. You can see it moving slowly southward and southeast, more into the northern parts of our area here at about 10:45 in the evening. And you can see the colors are turning more green, warmer cloud temperatures, and that means the thunderstorms are weakening. You can see very heavy storms here in the red, tall cumulonimbus clouds, very cold temperatures, high cloud tops, 50, 60,000 feet. Another new area development back in northern Missouri, and then this weakening line that's moving into southern Illinois. We take a look at regional radar, and we do see thunderstorms all the way from Kansas, northern Missouri, central, southern Illinois, into central and southern Indiana. Several waves of thunderstorms to monitor as we move through the night. Now this initial band here continues to slowly move towards Mount Vernon. It's entering Jefferson County, soon to be into Randolph County as well, Perry County, Illinois. This will continue to move southward overnight. Should weaken, maybe hold its own for another couple hours, and then perhaps weaken some. Probably will make it all the way to Marion, Carbondale area. Not sure how strong it will be when it gets there, but probably some rain showers. You can look to the north and you're already seeing the lightning. Now, whether this line can survive into West Kentucky is questionable. We'll just have to see. We do have a few scattered showers and storms at this hour over towards Hardin County, Illinois, and then near the LBL area of Western Kentucky. Tomorrow, whatever is left of this band could refire over parts of our area. We'll just have to see where it dies off, if it leaves a boundary. Maybe some redevelopment tomorrow. If storms do redevelop tomorrow, they could produce damaging winds, even some reports of nickel to quarter size hail. Low confidence on what happens tomorrow. We'll have to see how much sunshine we have in the morning. We'll have to see what exactly happens to this line overnight tonight to make a better forecast for tomorrow. Now, as we move into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, warm, muggy, summer conditions, highs in the 90s. Heat index values 95 to 102 degrees, dew points into the 70s, muggy air will blanket the area. We will have daily thunderstorm chances, but perhaps the peak thunderstorm chances will arrive Sunday as a cold front moves quickly through the area Sunday afternoon, and Sunday evening. Plan on at least one or two complexes of thunderstorms to interact with the cold front in our region, locally heavy rain, frequent cloud to ground lightning, some hail possible, and even some damaging winds. We'll have to keep an eye on Sunday for another risk for possibly some severe weather. Once the front moves through here, we should dry out on Monday and Tuesday. Cooler temperatures, lower dew points, a fresher air mass to deal with on Monday and Tuesday. We may heat up again Wednesday into Friday of next week. A little uncertain about that, but plan on at least 80, 85 degrees on Monday and Tuesday, and then middle to upper 80s possibly Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Not sure we pop back into the 90s, but that is a possibility. We'll keep an eye on it. Several days to watch that, so plenty of time to fine-tune that part of the forecast. Keep an eye on these storms tonight. I think the severe weather risk is small. Maybe some reports of stronger gusty winds with the leading edge of these storms, cloud to ground lightning, brief heavy downpours.